Hi, my name is Billy Joey. In today's video we are going to discuss about a platform called Payhip. If you are new, then please subscribe and hit bell icon for our hard work. Let's get started. When you're selling digital products online, there are tons of third-party solutions and platforms you can consider using. Payhip is just one of the leading solutions available for digital downloads today, designed to provide a simple method of selling your downloads and work through the web. Payhip promises a convenient strategy for selling all kinds of downloads and memberships. Payhip offers support for selling downloads and memberships, and there's even EU VAT calculation built in, so you have less to think about when you're generating your income. Known for their straightforward approach to sales, Payhip is trusted by over 130,000 people worldwide, and it's growing more popular all the time. This Payhip review will show you what to expect if you're thinking of using Payhip for your own sales strategies. What is Payhip? First and foremost, let's take a look at what Payhip is and what it can do. Payhip is an e-commerce service platform offering solutions for bloggers and entrepreneurs. You can use the service to sell memberships and digital products, and there are multiple ways to use Payhip too. If you don't want to embed the service directly into your website, you can use the storefront to sell your work instead. Payhip handles everything, providing an all-in-one e-commerce solution for designers, creatives, and podcasters alike. You get a host of intelligent products for hosting and selling your products online. There's also a fantastic customer service team ready to answer any questions you might have. Though the Payhip service is still relatively small, you can get in touch whenever you like if you have questions. Payhip is just one of the many online platforms available to e-commerce companies who want to sell their products online. If you're looking for the perfect combination of user-friendliness and simplicity, however, Payhip is a good choice. This service should save you some significant time and effort because everything you need is already configured and hosted on the Payhip website. What are the benefits of using Payhip? Like any platform for online selling, there are tons of pros and cons to using a solution like Payhip. Let's start by looking at some of the major benefits. VAT, EU VAT is handled for you, so you don't have to figure out the VAT for each customer. Cost effective, the website only takes a very small 5% transaction fee from each ebook sale, and there aren't any monthly fees. Built-in reporting, you can get useful insights into your sales strategies and generate better conversion rates as a result. Access to marketing tools, you have the option to create various social discount codes and coupons. Lists, Payhip provides access to tools for setting up mailing lists, so customers can subscribe and stay up to date. Instant product delivery, send quick links to buyers. Membership tools, enable memberships for your products. Sell physical and digital products, as well as ebooks and software. How does Payhip work? What can you sell? Payhip, pricing like the Plus plan, the Pro plan. File management and analytics. And design and marketing. All this information available from the first link in the description. Try it for free.